So if you were to use the Polish language whenever you want to say that you're going somewhere, you better indicate whether you are going on foot or not. If you're going on foot, you would say that idę. You would use the verb iść that we've talked about it. I'm gonna put the link. So you would say ja idę somewhere. So I'm going on foot somewhere. However, when you see the word jechać, it means that you are not going on foot. It means that you are going either by car, by train, by bus, bicycle, or you can go by a horse and use this verb. Okay, so if I say to you that I'm going to you, ja jadę do ciebie, it means that I'm telling you that I'm coming to you, but I'm not coming on foot. I'm whether taking the tram, the train, the bus, the car, or even the horse or the donkey, whatever. Yeah, so the conjugation here in the present a little bit differs from the verb itself. It's good to memorize it. It's easy, it's not that hard. So once you memorize it, it's gonna be easy. Jadę, jedziesz, jedzie, jedziemy, jedziecie, jadą. Okay? I might be going fast. You can always pause and read it by yourself. However, for the past and future and conditional, it's easy. It's always the same. You remove the ending and then you add the past endings. So jechałem, jechałeś, jechał, jechaliśmy, jechaliście, jechali. Okay. For the future, remember that you're going to use always the third group, the third person of the past, whether it's plural, it's singular or plural, and then we add it in front of będzie, będzie, będziesz, będę, będziemy, będziecie, będą. Okay. So, for example, if you're going to say, I will be going to you, or I'll be going by bus, of course, because we're using this verb, you would say będę jechał. If you're a male. If you're a female, you would say będę jechała. I will be going. If you are referring to a female, telling her that you will be going by train or whatever, you would say ty będziesz jechała. Okay, because she's a female. If we are talking about her, that she will be going somewhere, we would say ona będzie jechała. If we're talking about ourselves, my będziemy jechali. If we are a group of girls going, I don't know, on a trip, we would say my będziemy jechały. Okay? The same for all. It's pretty much logical and easy. So the same thing for conditional. I have 3 videos. I'm going to put the link here. You can just watch. I talk about everything in the conditional, how to use it. So once you understand it, all this is going to be easy for you. So the same as future, you use the third group, third person, and then you put it in front of bym, byś, byśmy, by, byście, by. Okay? The imperative is easy as well, relatively, but I'm going to go over it because it's different. So whenever you're saying you're ordering someone to go, you just say jedź. So drive away or drive to your grandmother. Niech jedzie, let him drive. Jedźmy, so the same as jedź, you add the my. It means let's drive or let's go somewhere, driving. Wy jedźcie, you're ordering them to go. Niech jadą, let them go. Okay. So here I'd like you to focus on it because there's the verb jeść. If you remember it, I have a video of it as well. And the imperative form of it, jeść, is jedz. It's written exactly the same, but without this tick here. So jedz means eat. Jedź means ride. Just to make your things clear. Okay, so the gerund of the jechać is jechanie, means the riding or the road trip, depending on the context. And there is an iterative verb for the verb jechać. I'm not going to talk about the conjugation of it now, and it means that something you do habitually. So ja jeżdżę do pracy w każdym poniedziałek. So I go to work every Sunday. You use this iterative verb, which means something habitual. You can say jechać. You can use use whatever you want. It's just like when someone tells you this, it means he's telling you that he does this usually. Okay. Okay, so pojechać is the same as jechać, only perfective aspect. This same conjugation, all you have to do is add po at the beginning. So ja pojadę, same as here. Ty pojedziesz, on pojedzie, my pojedziemy, wy pojedziecie, oni pojadą. The past is the same, the conditional is the same. However, keep in mind, as we said before, that perfective aspect doesn't have a future. So as we noticed here, doesn't have a present. The present doesn't exist in the perfective aspect. It's only future, past, and the rest, because it's not a continuous action. However, here we're talking about a continuous act. So continuous present, continuous past, continuous future. Here it's like perfective future, not continuous. Perfective past, not continuous. And you don't have present. And the gerund is pojechanie. It's the same as jechanie, just like used differently. You can use it interchangeably, and also depends on the context. Okay, so that was all for this video. Thank you.